Hey, what's up, guys? So, it's me, Tim, and my show got canceled tonight that I was going to be playing with Jules Bland and Lipton. Dan Lipton, I met him last night, he's pretty cool. Anyway, so I figured since our show's canceled, I should like record a video or something. So here's a song that I wrote a little while ago. It's called I'm Not Dead, and I hope you're not either.